glasses inside, the monkeys will take it, you won't even know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I hope you are enjoying it.
I will.
Yeah.
What do you scan it?
Oh, underneath. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, God. Wait.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe. What the heck? Stop. Here. Toilet. Nice looking badge.
Oh, wait.
This is bad.
Put your hand up or something.
Hey, Joe in the back.
Oh, Lord, Jesus, not my hand.
Better keep your glasses inside, the monkeys will take it, you won't even know.
You heard it, guys. Get your glasses away. Monkeys are gonna come take it.
Like albino monkey.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't see them. I don't see them much.
There's albino monkey.
Yeah.
On the wild place, always fight with other monkey.
Why? Because
They're white.
because they're racist as well. That's why monkeys are racist too. They don't like they're different color.
For the color.
Yeah. Monkeys are racist. They'll attack the albinos.
Other ones coming. You wanna fit?
Yeah, love to.
Put in your hand. You can record.
Oh, yeah, okay, so put it in.
They can record that.
I'm recording.
If you wanna fit, just give like this. Another one. Just do the side.
Come here. Hi. Not you, you bad one.
You've already had one, buddy.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's not a good sign when they show their teeth.
Yeah. Because
It's
you do
okay.
the eye contact.
Oh, I see.
Don't do eye contact. So that's the.
Okay, they were scared.
No, they meaning the
fight.
fighting signal.
Fighting.
Yeah.
You ready to fight them, Joe?
Don't do eye contact with the monkey, so the fighting signal.
Yeah.
That's the white monkey. Just stay.
The albino. Yeah, I see it.
So how does this guy get in there as well?
Hey, cow.
Don't follow me, buddy.
They just try to scare you, but not fight.
There's the albino one over there.
Yeah.
There's the albino.
Are you still keep a fight? The monkey will be gone. Like I am bring the stick to scare them.
There's only one albino.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a bit lonely now, isn't he?
Yeah. Yeah. Be friendly, buddy.
Yeah.
Well done. Oh, you're lucky.
Which one was the one showing
You want
fangs?
to take a picture? You want fading? Just
Yeah.
open your hand.
It's okay.
No?
All good. All good.
No, just open your hand.
Bananas everywhere.
Look, just ignore it.
Here.
Oh.
I go for shoes.
Try to get the shoes. So the officer try to send bargain.
What's wrong with this one? Did it take something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mobile phone.
Oh, mobile phone. Yeah. I see it now. I see it. Oh, ladies. She's not gonna give it back, man. There's so many up here. It's over there.
He doesn't have the phone. He's left the phone. Go.
It's over there. Sorry.
Okay.
Some words, they're like Filipino words.
Filipino words?
Yeah, like duha means two.
Oh, what is the meaning?
In Filipino,
In
two.
Filipino, two.
Yeah.
Oh.
Mahal means expensive as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, same language, nearly same. Some
nearly
words,
same language.
some words are same.
Mahal also, we have a word that one.
Mahal means
Yes.
means expensive. yeah?
Expensive,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Crazy.
So you like to speak Malayu?
I tried to learn, you know. I tried to learn, you know, apa kabar?
Oh, yeah.
Baik, bagus, Yeah.
Yeah, Malayu and Indonesian quite similar.
Yeah, Melayu bahasa.
Bahasa, yeah.
Your English is way better than my bahasa.
No. Filipino is Swadikap. That one?
Swadikap?
Yeah.
That's that.
There is a Filipino?
Swadikap?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Or Thailand maybe.
That's
yeah.
Thailand.
Yeah,
That's Thailand. Yeah. Swadika.
Swadika.
Yeah.
In Filipino, what you say?
Kamusta? Like how are you? Kamusta ka?
Kamusta ka?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kamusta ka? I have to remember. First time here also.
Yeah. Come from Java.
From Java. Where have you been in Java?
In Jogja. Stayed
Jogja.
for a bit in Jogja. Not much tourists in Jogja.
Yeah.
Bali completely different, man. You know,
Yeah,
full of
exactly.
tourists, full of bullets.
The atmosphere also different.
Sorry?
The atmosphere also different.
The
in Bali.
atmosphere is very
Yeah.
different. Yes, it's very Jogja, very more conservative.
Yeah.
Like, you know, covered up. It's not a tour. It's not a
Not a
tourist
tourist,
place. Yeah.
Some people they visit to Jogja only for like a while, one day,
One
2
day.
days only,
Yeah,
and then they come to Bali.
Yeah,
and they will be spend a lot of time in Bali.
Yeah, Bali's great. Like I wish I had more time, but I don't. Tickets. How much are the tickets? Okay. Can I get one ticket, please? They're following me. Bali City. Lotus. Got markets. Oh, look at this. Look at that view. Spa. Uluwatu. But we'll see how we go. Yeah, I may need Joe's help. I may not. We'll see. 2 people. What's this place called? The Lotus. This is the pool. Never got to swim in it. Joe taking flowers. Bless her. My bag is heavy, it's at least 10 kilos. I can't even put it on my left side because of the tattoo. That was quick. Lobby.
Yes.
Do you like this place?
Yes, I do. I love this place.
Well, the annoying thing was the water, the hot water. They fixed it and it's not hot water again.
Yeah, that, and also the plug.
And the plug.
They fixed that, and then they didn't fix it.
So it started happening again.
What?
The problem.
No, it just pulled out.
Ah. Check out this place. Yeah, it's expensive, man.
Expensive one, yeah.
Even where I'm from, it's a bit expensive as well. But it's okay.
What very professional artistic.
Yeah.
That you make in Bali as well?
No. This is Thailand. Thailand. This was 13 years ago.
13 years ago.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I put cream to make it look good, you know. Instead of always, because if you don't take care of it, it fades.
What type of cream you have to put it there?
Just normal moisturizing cream. Oh, hello, sir. Yeah.
Or you put the Tecate XL cream?
I have to go back today and to replace it. It was only yesterday.
Oh. Oh, until here, yeah?
Yeah. To the neck, yeah.
Your skin is clean, that's make.
Yeah, that's
so
like
have
color.
Make life, I think.
Yeah. But the bad thing about it is that sun If you got light skin, the sun gets you really fast. You know, dark skin better with the sun.
That make one time or
Yeah.
continue
No, just one time.
one time?
Yeah, yeah.
Also same.
This one 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, cause
Because you know
There's
I
more.
make one on the back.
Yeah,
Full
you-
on the back.
yeah. How long?
5 times.
5 times.
Yes.
5 times.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I think it's too hard for me.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Okay.
not
Yeah.
just skate first and then after that finish
So-
next 2 weeks.
Total 5 days, like one session,
Yeah.
2 session, 3 session, 4 session, 5
5
session.
session.
Yeah. Okay.
Just black gray.
Yeah,
without
yeah,
color.
yeah.
But full. That's make.
That's the whole back?
Yeah, all
Like
back.
actual whole back.
Yeah.
Ah.
I make dragon.
Yeah. There's a lot of tattoo places around here in Bali.
Bali is famous right now.
There's many tattoo.
Many people also they make symbol of the god everywhere.
Yeah, the Fang.
Yeah.
That one.
That's
Of
called
Rama or
Barong.
Barong and Rama.
Rangna.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. My neck is feeling a bit iffy now.